Hello, I have a Daiso and Ikea and Tiny thrift haul for you today. We got this plastic Christmas character at Daiso today. I'm not quite sure what his, see, it's kind of lame. I think you're supposed to put sand in here or something. See, this, and Mr. Retro's blew him up here, but then there's this thing here, a bladder down here. I think you're supposed to put something to weight it, because he's like, whoa. Not that cool. So, we'll see. See, he's really uncooperative. He just fill you up with ants. There, I guess maybe it's like that. So, we'll work with him and see how he does. So, that was from Daiso. And other stuff. I went in to get more Santa hats. Nothing. Little Santa hats for my dolls. Nothing. But I got this. Is this one of these reed infusers, and I use these down at the beach house in the bathroom. This one's sparkling citrus. So we'll see how that works down there. And I got socks. They have really good socks there. These have little polar bears on them. That's kind of cute. $1.50. And they fit okay. You know, they're not like super tiny or anything. Oh, Mr. Retro's got this sink thing. And, oh, this is also Mr. Retro's got his high chews. High chews. And what else did I get? Oh, and he got some. These are alkaline batteries. So that's kind of a neat deal. As long as they're alkaline. And this I got, this is supposed to be for one of those reed infuser things, but it's like a little tree. I think that'd be kind of neat. So I'll put it down there. See, then the smell goes up the tree and blooms into your room. Give that a shot. Other socks. These are really nice. They're soft and plushy. It says warm pile socks. Let's see. More batteries. Yeah, somebody threw that in there. Oh, this. I'm going to paint this and put it on my mantle because it kind of goes with my little houses. Just put a little white paint on that guy. Oh, this is super cute. This is good. I'm going to put this in front of my little myling dollhouse. This dumb thing. It's really cute. They have one with a green base too, but I'm kind of doing red this year. So I thought that was kind of nice. You know, it's resin. It's very cute. This is something else. Someone threw in my bag. Oh. These clips are really good for taming your cords, extension cords, charging cords, lamp cords. I got these big ones. They sell them at the dollar store too, I think, but I just happened to see these and grabbed them. So I had some and I don't know what happened to them. I think I used them all. Another pair of socks. These are really like French terry inside. These were kind of nice. For socks, sock-wise, oh, these are neat. These are little guns for my dolls. They don't want to go around unarmed. So, these are supposed to be erasers, but it's kind of funny. I wonder if a kid would get in trouble for bringing this eraser to school. Probably, the way they are now. Oh, this, I'm going to open this. I thought I could use this for either taking my pills down to the beach or storing my night guard in. I have to wear a night guard at night so I don't crack my teeth. So I thought this was sort of nifty. Oh, if I can get this. Oh, it's kind of weird. Well, maybe I can't get that out. Well, I might be able to fit my pills in this one. I don't know. I think, no, maybe. Because I have, for 2 days, I take, I think that would do for 2 days. I don't know. I thought it was cute, though. Look, he's chewing on a little leaf. A little panda. Yeah. Oh. I got a retractable lipstick brush because I had one of these before and I was cleaning it and I pulled it so hard I pulled the top off. Oh, my bad. Got a new one. And here's some hooks and eyes. Nice small ones that I can use. Ooh, this is really super cute. I'm going to paint this white too. It's a little 3D village. This was $3. But it's out of that laser cut like my thing on the fireplace. Oh, I thought that was sort of nice. Oh. This is a bottle for some infused liquor I made. This is very nice container for someone's nice Christmas present. Look at this. Here's his ears. Oink! And then I had it open. Then you can put a nice surprise in there for someone. You know, I mean, what's not to like? This is awesome. Very nice. I guess maybe it's for a bento, but you know, we could just fill this with chocolate and give it to somebody. And they had these needle felt kits. Really nice little cute critters. They had a reindeer too, but he was kind of ugly. He looked like he had a creepy shaped head. But these are very cute. So I'll give these a shot. They look fairly simple. And I think that's all. That's all for Ikea.
Oh,
and,
Daiso.
I mean, not Ikea. Daiso. Ay. Okay. Then we went to Ikea. Boy, they're getting blown out. Stuff is missing. I went down there to find little felt Christmas toadstools. Gone. Just completely. Like they were never there. I got this. It's for my mom. She likes this stuff. Rye crisp. We got 2 of these. Big. These are like $3.99 for 100 candles. And Mr. Retro says these burn nicely. So that'll last him a couple weeks at least. Something else. Oh. Then I always like to get their coffee. It's excellent. This one is an espresso. These are $3.99. This is a half a pound. So that's pretty good. And this one. Whoa, I should have got 2 of these. This is over a pound. Gosh, dark roast. And this one was, I think this one was $3.99 as well. And we got these Christmas candies that are in the shape of the Dala horse. And those are kind of fun. I got another, they have bulk candies that you can buy by the pound. They never made it home. We ate them in the car on the way up. Sorry, they were really good. And I love this, lingonberries. Just as good on everything. So I got one for me, one for my mom for Christmas. Here's the other one. Double wings. And what's this one? This is, another bottle for some liquor I made. Now this one was, what was this, $2.99 I think? Yeah, and this was $1.50 at Daiso. This was so they're very similar. I don't know. Yeah. But these are what I mainly went down there for. They're getting these little ones. This was the last little one. We threw the tag in here too. What a goofy guy. I took the display one and I tore off the display sticker. And so the price got ripped off. So I took this up for him and he threw it in the bag, you know, because they don't care. Look at that. That's really good. It's going to go on my mantle. He's got a lot going for him. And of course, then I had to get the bigger. They have no more of these at mine. But they have a lot of these larger guys. Okay, here's the bigger one. Just It's like this guy, only bigger. Gosh, they're cute. Look like the carved wood. That's pretty darn cute. Well, that's what I got at Ikea. Yes, that's like that. And we went to a really pathetic junk store down there. And all I found was this cup. One of these Rosanna mugs for the U District, which is kind of the area where we live in the Northeast Seattle. And this, I think I can clean up. What is it? Crown Zellerback. It's like a napkin dispenser, but it's an old, nice chrome one. And it's just dirty. It was $2.99. And I was going to show you this. I found my paper that I'm going to cover my tree in. See, this is the paper I have. And I'm going to cover this tree with this paper. And it will look swell. This paper, this goofy paper was $4 when I got it a few years ago. And so I've hung on to it all this time. And I finished one of my critters out of that stuff I got at Joann's. So she's looking pretty good, or he. This is the smaller one. And I'm making it another tree, but he's not quite done. So, any old who. That's what we got for today. I'm headed to the ocean tomorrow. Bye-bye.